Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. What we are doing now is we are practicing and we are training ourselves so that we can enter into the complete recitation of the Quran, inshallah. So let's go and have lots of fun revising what we have learned so far. وَمَن مَّعَهُ. The next example we have is كاف ها يا عين صاد. The next one سوء. And the next one after that is إسرائيل بما أنزل. Over here, who can tell me what rule is here? What's the rule? It is إخفاء نون ساكن, and after that you have ز بما أنزل. Excellent. فيها أبدا. Here we have the mad, and the next one we have again is mad. الصاخة. The next one يوم لا. The next word we have is ناقة الله. ناقة الله, wrong. ناقة الله. Lam tashdid. Before that you have the U sound, the dhamma. Make sure that it is thick. ناقة الله. The next one after that is شيء قدير. شيء tanween. After that you have qa. So it is إخفاء. And you know, very easily, inshallah, as we go along, I'm going to give you a very good technique on how to remember if it is إخفاء, إظهار, إقلاب, or إدغام. So let's continue. شيء قدير. The next one is من ولي. Nun sakin. After that you have wa. So you are going to make إدغام. من ولي. The next one after that is min ni'matin. Who can tell me what do we have here? What rule do we have? Noon and noon together? Yes, excellent. It is idgham. Let's go to the next one. Ar-Rahim. Allah. Ra with fatha. You're not going to say ar-ra, but Allah. Ar-Rahim. Ha, proper. Ar-Rahim. The next one, Al-Alim. Not Al-Alim, it is wrong. Al-Alim. The next one, Al-Azim. After that, Al-Awwaleen. Al-Insan. Very carefully, Al-Insan. You have to make sure that you have noon second. After that you have what? Sa. And it is إخفاء. Al-Insan. The next one after that is Al-Amr. Amr. The Ra is second. Before that you have Sukun. And before that you have a sound, Fatha. Therefore you're going to say Al-Amr. The next example we have is النبي. النبي. الساعة. الآيات. الأنهار. فأولئك. وأنتم. عنكم. Nun sakin. After that you have ka. عنكم. What is the rule here? إخفاء. That was fantastic. Good job, guys. Let's continue. The next example, كنت. What is it? إخفاء. Next again. أنزل عنه. Nun sakin. After that you have ha. What is it? إظهار. Let's go. عنه. Let me grab my board and my marker and show you how to write وَمَن مَّعَهُ. So I start with the wa, with the fatha, and the ma, with the noon, with the fatha and the sukoon, وَمَن, and then you have the ain with the ha. So you have the tajdeed, and a has the fatha, and who has the inverted dhamma. وَمَن مَّعَهُ. Watch me again. Wa, you have the ma. Be careful not to make any mistakes. Right? And then the na with the sukoon. And then you have the ma'ahu part. Right? With the tajdeed, the fatha, and the o sound. Let me show you the second word for our lesson today, which is Isra'ila. In Isra'il, you have the first letter is alif with the kasra, and you have the sin and the ra. You have the sukoon, you have the fatha, you have the alif, and you have the mad. Hamza with the kasra, and then you have the ya with the la. So you have the two dots, sukoon and the fatha. Isra'il. Let me show you again. Make sure that you have your pen and paper with you. Write with me alif with the kasra, sa, and you have the sukoon and the fatha. You have the alif and you have the mad. Make sure that you go slowly and practice as much as possible. And you have the kasra, you have the ya and the la. Make sure you put two dots with your sukoon, and lam has the fatha. La. Isra'ila. Very good. Excellent. One more step before you finish your course on how to write Arabic, inshallah. ما شاء الله. Kids, what you're just hearing in our lessons are nothing but a couple of sentences, phrases, and words from the Arabic language. And how beautiful it would be if we understand everything that is being spoken in Arabic. So come with me and let's learn Arabic with actions. ذلك, that. أولئك, those. ذلك means that. أولئك means those. Again, ذلك means that. أولئك means those. ذلك means that. أولئك means those. Repeat with me in Arabic only. ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. Again, ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. Finally, ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. Excellent. Now repeat with me slowly. ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. Excellent. Wonderful. Now let's practice what we have learned so far. هذا means this. هؤلاء means these. ذلك means that. أولئك means those. Repeat after me in Arabic. هذا هؤلاء. هذا هؤلاء. ذلك أولئك. ذلك أولئك. Again, هذا هؤلاء هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك ذلك أولئك. Again, for the last time, هذا هؤلاء هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك ذلك أولئك. Excellent. Now repeat with me in Arabic slowly. هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك. Again, هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك هذا هؤلاء ذلك أولئك. ما شاء Allah. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.